Okay, so I kind of feel like nobody really talks about the personal things that we go through during a fitness journey. We need to talk about that. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm back with another video for you guys. I got 5 tips on 5 personal battles that you're going to have during a fitness journey, so you know that you're not alone. We're gonna get through it together, okay? It wouldn't be a fitness journey if you didn't battle anything. So just to let you know, no matter who you are, you had some things you had to battle. And these are probably 5 of the things. So let's get right into it. First thing that you're going to be battling is decisions of foods. Everybody battles this. So I'm going to quickly give you guys a little tip. Do not eat when you're starving. And when I say that, I know you're like confused, like why wouldn't you eat when you're starving? Of course you have to eat, but do not wait until you're starving to make a decision on what you want to eat. Okay, I say this because more than likely, and y'all can vouch for me or not, you know, let me know in the comments below if you guys understand what I'm talking about, but more than likely, if you guys wait until the last second when you're starving, more than likely you make a bad decision on what foods you want to eat. I think I'm right. I personally do think I'm right. But when I say this, more than likely, whenever you feel yourself a little hungry, I think that you guys should definitely find a meal, because more than likely your mind is in the right mindset to make a good decision on what food to eat. You more than likely grab a healthy option. Where you're starving, or when you're starving, you're going to grab whatever you're craving, whatever you're thinking about, whatever you see. You know, if you just get finished working out, it's good to have a snack in your bag, because if you don't have a snack in your bag and you're driving, like I said in my past video, if you're going past McDonald's, more than likely you're going to go pick up some food. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about is the guilt of eating food. Okay, this goes along with your decisions of food. Let's just say you do make a mistake. To make a mistake, that's completely fine. You know, you have to understand that we are going to make mistakes, and that whenever you do make a mistake, you need to get back on the bus, ride it back, you know, start all over again. You need to, you know, don't let it affect your mindset and then you feel like you're gonna fail. And do not let the guilt of food or the decision you made affect the rest of your journey, okay? I can vouch for this. I have a problem with eating whatever I want for the moment and then feeling like I can't start over. Like once I make one bad decision for foods, I feel like I'm gonna have to mess up the rest of the day. I gotta eat a burger later on, and then tomorrow I'll try it again. I start eating clean, and then I mess up again, and then I go right back in that tunnel again, and I feel like I have to finish my day just like that. Where that's not true at all. In the middle of the day, you could definitely choose something better to eat for dinner. You messed up during lunch, that's fine. I wouldn't call it a mess up, I call it a snack. And dinner time, you're gonna get what you need, you know? Just do better the next time when it comes to food. It's okay to keep messing up. It happens to all of us. Don't get discouraged and don't feel like you can't make up the mistake you already created, okay? I don't call it really a mistake, I call it a treat yourself moment. But understand, you know, you can only treat yourself so much all the time to see results, okay? Next tip we're going to be talking about is not being rewarded at times. This is a personal battle that I feel like everyone faces. We all wait for someone to reward us or tell us that we look nice, tell us we look good. You know, don't wait for that moment, because that moment might never happen. And sometimes it's because people are jealous. Sometimes it's because people are jealous, you know? And I feel like you should get that through your head ahead of time. If people do not compliment you, either 1, they're really not looking, or 2, they do not want to gas your head up. It's going to be more of a mental thing for you to gas your own head up. Don't let someone telling you that you look good be your only motivation, because it might not ever happen, and you're going to have to know that like now before you go into your fitness journey, because It took me a long time to get to a point where people were saying, Crystal, you look nice. Crystal, you got some nice shoulders. Crystal, your stomach, like you have no waist, what's going on? And I'm like, oh, thanks. I understand that whenever people do give you guys compliments, and I think that we should do this for each other, whenever, you know, if no one's giving you compliments, you give somebody else a compliment. If you see someone and you feel like they're trying, or if you know that they're going through a fitness thing or something like that, give them compliments. Tell them they look good. Tell them, wow, your waist is a little smaller, or wow, you look different, you know? You gas them up, because, you know, we gotta help each other out. So, fourth topic that we're going to be talking about is not seeing results right away. This is definitely a personal battle that everybody who is starting their fitness journey goes through. Like, you know, we start working out, we work out for 10 minutes and we feel like we're supposed to have biceps, you know, a nice back, some abs, but it doesn't happen that fast. And if it does, you're completely blessed. Clap for you. We have to work out over time to start seeing results, and just because you don't see results in like the first month of you working out and everything, your results are coming. Maybe look at your diet. Maybe look at, are you going to the gym, or are you working out as much as you should be? Maybe look at like some of the things you're doing. You could always tweak and adjust things. So do not get discouraged if you do not see results right away. A lot of us, we don't see results right away. I've been eating completely terrible lately, and I've been bloating, and I've been, you know, gaining a little bit of weight. So I'm gonna have to, and I haven't been doing cardio. Let's talk about that. That's another story. But you know that I need to get back on track, and I know it's gonna take me a little bit. You know, I have to eat clean and go to the gym consistently and wait for my results. But I'm not gonna be in the mirror every day and looking and saying, oh, you know, do I see a result? And if you do not see a result, do not get discouraged. Do not step back and say that it's not going to work for me. It will work. Keep pushing. You know, nobody knows what you're doing behind closed doors, and what you're doing behind closed doors, which means when nobody else is around, you know, I promise it will definitely pay off if you want it that bad. So, you know, just make sure you understand that if you do not see results right away, that is completely fine. It happens to all of us. Keep going, keep being consistent, eat clean, tweak, talk to people, see what they're doing, or, you know, go on YouTube, search up your favorite YouTuber, find someone you look up to, or, you know, see what they did, tweak, keep tweaking your plan, and keep doing it over time, and you will definitely see results. I can basically promise you that. This last one that I'm going to give you guys is a battle that everybody faces, I feel like. You know, this might not be the reason that people start, but I feel like a lot of people are not happy with the way they look is because the way that they are treated. And that's actually the last one I'm going to give you guys. Understand the way people treat you before you gotten fit might not ever change. So kind of don't expect that. And usually majority of the time, once you're looking better, people start treating you better. But sometimes people might treat you worse because they might be jealous. There are other people, they have personal issues going on, but more than likely they treat you different or treat you worse because they're jealous. And you know, I don't know if you guys can vouch for me on that, but basically saying that, you know, if you go into a fitness journey and you're mentally battling, like you're like, oh, I want my boyfriend to treat me better, or I want my boyfriend or my ex to look at me different, you know, that might not happen. So do not expect it. Those are personal things that we battle and that we feel like truly matter to us, and we get discouraged whenever they don't respect us or whenever we don't get the person that we want. I'm just gonna let you guys know right now, get fit for you. I say just get fit for you. Do everything for yourself. Love the way that you look, and if you don't love the way you look right now, that's completely fine. You know, set goals and you get there, you know. And the way people treat you, if they're not treating you right, you need to dish them out of your life. There's nothing else to this. If you do start a fitness journey because you want someone to treat you better, I completely understand that. But if it doesn't happen, don't get discouraged and don't quit your fitness journey. Your fitness journey is for you to feel good, for you to get what you need out of it. You want to love yourself. Your skin should be your favorite outfit. I cannot stress that. So don't expect people to like you, or, you know, you want people to treat you different so you're gonna get fit. You know, it might not happen. So basically telling you, do not get discouraged and don't quit because of other people. It doesn't matter what other people think. It's what you think about yourself, and you should love yourself. Everyone should love themselves. So Okay, so that wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram, CrystalKelly_, and make sure to follow my Snapchat, CSDKAA. The link will be down below. And that will be all for today. Let me know if you guys love videos like this, and I will continue making more fitness tips and tricks. And we're gonna get through this together. So, okay, so I will definitely be seeing you guys soon. Bye-bye.